Hello students! In this session, we will cover the fundamentals of logistics information technology. The learning objectives for this lesson are: master the fundamentals of logistics information technology. The concept of logistics information technology. Develop the ability to conduct research on the informatization of regional logistics enterprises. Mastering the characteristics and functions of logistics information. The application and role of modern logistics information technology in enterprises. Understanding the current status and trends of logistics development and informatization in China. Ability to provide rational suggestions for the informatization construction of regional logistics enterprises. Learning Guidance 1. Learn to investigate the status of logistics informatization in logistics enterprises. 2. Understanding the concept of logistics information and its characteristics and functions. 3.
Understand the role of common logistics information technology in logistics business.
4. Understanding the current status of logistics development in China and the trend of logistics informatization. 5. Understanding the application of logistics public information platform. The main contents of this lesson include information and logistics information technology, development of modern logistics information technology,
Practical training in logistics information application research.
The prerequisite courses for this one are Introduction to Modern Logistics and Fundamentals of Computer Applications. The follow-up courses include Logistics Information Management, Design and Development of Logistics Information Systems, Barcode Creation and Usage, Information Collection based on RFID technology, and Cargo Tracking and Positioning on Maps. Teaching methods include the 6-step teaching method of the guiding text, task-based teaching, simulation teaching method, team-based cooperative teaching method, case teaching method and group discussion teaching method. The combination of various teaching methods to achieve the teaching objective of integrating work and study. The teaching process consists of
A.
Project research, B. Case analysis, C. Knowledge explanation, D. Practical training operations, E. Exercise,
F.
Final. The efficient logistics of informatization. Walmart success story. Please think about it. 1. In the success story of Walmart, what are the key factors for its success? 2.
What are the implications of Walmart's success case for the development of logistics companies and retail companies?
1. Information refers to objective facts represented by data, which describes the general attributes of an event or entity, or the general description of an object's attributes. You could also say, information is processed and refined. Valuable data. Data and information are closely related. But data is not the same as information. The relationship between data and information can be regarded as the relationship between raw materials and finished products.
A.
Information originates from matter, motion of matter.
B.
Information is a form of knowledge and message, is conveyed by things, is data processed by the recipient, can be stored and transmitted. C. Information has value. Through the reception and transmission of information, facilitates the understanding and comprehension of moving entities or phenomena, and can provide feedback on things. 2 characteristics of information.
A.
Objectivity. Information is the basic attribute of matter, since matter objectively exists. Therefore, information exists, nor is it subject to human will. B. Sharing. Multiple people can access the information at the same time. You can share information and benefit together. C.
Timeliness.
Information has a life cycle. Within a specific time span, the information is valid. Beyond this span, information may lose its original value. D.
Storability.
Information can be stored on different media. E. Processability. Information can be processed and refined into new information.
F. Asymmetry. 3.
The model of information in an information model. There are 2 fundamental elements. 1 is the information flow. 1 is an information exchange device. Information flow refers to the quality and quantity of information. To be specific, quality of information,
including the content, category, form, flow direction, carrier, timeliness, temporal relationships, and inter-element relationships of information.
The amount of information includes the quantity of information, bit quantity based on a specific measurement standard, word count, byte count, density, frequency, or speed reliability, redundancy, etc. 4. Logistics information.
Logistics information is the result of processing within the logistics system, as well as a collection of links between the logistics system and the outside world that can be used, which reflects the text, sound, images, messages, knowledge, intelligence, etc. of the content of various activities in logistics and reacts to the objective activities, as shown in Figure 1.4.
5. Logistics information classification. Narrow sense of logistics information. In a narrow sense, logistics information refers to the information related to logistics activities. Logistics information in a broad sense. In a broad sense, logistics information not only refers to information related to logistics activities,
but also include
information related to other logistics activities, such as commodity trading information and market information. 6. Characteristics of logistics information. In addition to the general attributes of information, logistics information also has the following main characteristics. 1. Universality. Since logistics is an activity that spans a wide range of areas, the logistics information source is also distributed in a large area. Multiple information sources with large data volume,
involving the whole process from production to consumption, from the national economy to all aspects of financial credit. 2. Connectivity. Logistics activities are multi-stages, activities involving multiple factors and roles. The goal is to ensure the smooth transportation of products from the place of origin to the place of consumption. Therefore, various logistics information generated during the event must have a very close connection. 3. Diversity.
The continuous application of multivariety, small batch and high-frequency distribution technologies in POS, EOS and EDI data collection technology,
resulting in frequent occurrences of various logistics operations, accelerate the value decay rate of logistics information, require continuous updates to logistics information. 4. Dynamism. 5. Complexity.
The complexity of logistics information is brought about by its universality, connection, diversity, and dynamism.
7. The role of logistics information. Logistics information in logistics activities plays a very important role.
Through the collection, transmission, storage, processing, and output of logistics information,
become the basis of decision-making for logistics activities,
and plays a role of command, coordination, support, and guarantee for the whole logistics activities.
Its primary functions are as follows. A. The role of communication and contact. B. The role of guidance and coordination. C. The role of management control. D. The role of shortening logistics pipelines. E. The role of decision support analysis. F. The role of supporting strategic planning. G. The role of value appreciation. That concludes this lesson. Thank you.